Trying to delete your Instagram account without knowing your password? It's a situation that more people find themselves in than you might think, especially with accounts created years ago, forgotten passwords, or lost access to old emails and phone numbers. But let's get real. Instagram's security is designed for one thing: to protect you and your account from unauthorized access and accidental deletions. That means, by default, you can't simply delete your Instagram account unless you're able to log in. But don't worry, there are still steps you can take to regain control and start the deletion process, no matter how stuck you feel. First, let's talk about the most direct route: password recovery. If you've just forgotten your password but still have access to your registered email or phone number, you're in luck. From the Instagram login page, tap on Forgot Password, enter your email, username, or phone number, and Instagram will send you a link or code to reset your password. Once you've reset it and logged in, you'll be able to delete your account with ease. But before you hit that delete button, don't forget to save your memories and content. Instagram allows you to download all your data, photos, videos, comments, likes, and more, by heading to your settings, choosing privacy and security, and requesting a data download. You'll get a file sent to your email, usually within 48 hours. Save it somewhere safe, because once your account is gone, that data is gone forever. But what if you no longer have access to your email or phone number? This is where things get a bit trickier, but not impossible. Instagram knows that people change emails, switch phones, or lose access over time. So, they've built alternative verification methods right into their help center. When you try to reset your password and realize you can't receive the reset link, click Need More Help? Instagram will guide you through a process that might include verifying your identity with photos or videos, providing information about your account's creation, or confirming the devices and locations you typically use. The process isn't instant and might take several days, but it's your best shot at proving ownership and regaining access. If you've tried every recovery option and still can't get into your account, reaching out to Instagram's support team is your next step. Fill out their support form with as much detail as possible: think old passwords, account creation details, and even documentation if necessary. Instagram prioritizes accounts with clear proof of ownership, so the more information you can provide, the better your chances of success. Now, you might be wondering, can you get your account deleted from the outside? If regaining access is truly impossible, you can report your own account as impersonating you. Head to the profile, tap the three dots, choose Report, and follow the prompts to indicate the account is pretending to be you. Instagram will review the report and may take action if it violates their policies. But keep in mind, this method isn't guaranteed to result in deletion, especially if they can't confirm a violation. At Famety, we know how important your social media presence and your privacy are to you. That's why we always recommend securing your accounts, keeping your recovery information up to date, and saving your content before making major changes. If you're transitioning away from Instagram or looking to grow on other platforms, our team is here to help you every step of the way with services for likes, followers, SEO, and more. Remember, deleting an account is a permanent step, but with the right approach and support, you can take control of your digital footprint. So, while you can't directly delete your Instagram account without your password, with the latest recovery tools and support options, you can still regain access and make the changes you want. Stay energized and proactive. Your online journey is always in your hands.